So it's nice to have a lot of goodies, but if you don't have anything to put them in, it's not very practical. So I've really been struggling with that. You can make proper box, like a big box with inside on sleeves, but there is some minimum amount of units you can do for having something which makes sense from a financial point of view. So after searching a lot, I found these on Temu. It's not as good as I hope it would be, but it came with possibility to have a logo printed. Unfortunately, it's only on one side, but it fits properly for all I need to put inside, so I'm going to go with that. So, to make the final product, so first I need to remove these things. I need to make it a bit like that. And then we get a box, but it's a bit boring, so I also got some stickers, and here I am going to use that. So it's not a science, but I came up with this method. And I have to sort of doing that with the camera. It's very, very complicated. It's all in the way, so I mark the center position. So it's not perfect, but basically I'll give you a small inside logo when you open the box. Then I want to have my Defense Force logo, my Encounter logo on each side of the box. So when it's on the shelf you can see them. So and I use this to remove the small speck of pencil. So that's one side. There you go. We have three boxes, three stickers. So I already made quite a few. And the next step is going to make sure we can have the content immobilized. And to do that, I'm going to use something with some material like that. So this thing will restrain the floppy from moving around. And here I have enough of clearance, so the foam just works nicely. Oh, and while I'm at it, human error is human. I did some other tests on this first box, so with the Defense Force logo there, and like that, but that looked very, very tacky, so that's why I decided to go with something I think simpler, that works better.